We got a new knife from Kizer, y'all. Let's check this thing out. We have the Little Grand. It is a 2.52-inch knife made by Jonathan Styles, Nitro V blade, aluminum, and a wood handle. Interesting. Okay. Pretty small knife from, okay, we got a little slippy here. Little slip joint action, typical hardware that comes with Kizer's knives. Let's check this out. Almost dropped it. This is really nice. The Little Grand. It feels super premium, I want to say. Opens up really neat. There's a Little Grand logo right there. On the backside, you have your typical Kizer logo. And it feels good in hand, much smaller. I can only get a good, comfortable 3-finger grip on there with my pinky hanging out. I think you can add a lanyard. I need to double check that. But the walk and talk, okay. There's like 3 actions that I just did there. So we have, it was like a, it's like a half stop, more of a 1/3 stop. So I'm just testing this out. Feels pretty good. Okay. So I want to say there's a half stop essentially. Maybe that was a user error thing. It opens up really nice. This is nice, Kizer. I wasn't expecting a slip joint from y'all, but you came through with this, and this is one that I would like to rock in my pouches. It's a very small, pouchable knife. What are your guys' thoughts? Peace out.